Hey there, want to use Chatgpt 4 for free? I'm going to break down the best ways to access this powerful AI without spending a dime. Let's dive in. First up, OpenAI's free tier now includes ChatGPT 4.0, an advanced version of ChatGPT 4. Just head to chatgpt.com, sign up for free, and start chatting. You'll get limited queries every few hours, but it's perfect for casual use. Next, try Microsoft Copilot. It's powered by GPT-4 and completely free. Go to copilot.microsoft.com or use Bing's chat feature. You can ask unlimited questions and even upload images for analysis. It's a solid alternative. Another great option is Perplexity AI. This search engine uses GPT-4 for free. Visit perplexity.ai, sign up, and use its Copilot feature for enhanced answers. You get 5 queries every 4 hours, ideal for research. Keep in mind, free versions have limits, like query caps or slower responses. For heavy use, consider a paid plan like ChatGPT Plus for $20 a month. To maximize free access, plan your queries and use clear prompts. That's it, guys. You can use ChatGPT 4 for free with OpenAI's free tier, Microsoft Copilot, or Perplexity AI. Try them out and let me know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more AI tips. See you next time.